Welcome to the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing's Made in Southwest Virginia podcast, where we aim to educate listeners on the many impacts of manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. Today's episode is part of our ongoing series in which we deep dive into specific companies making worldwide impacts. We often hear there's nothing happening in Southwest Virginia. I've even felt that myself, but as I learned more about Southwest Virginia's manufacturers, I realized that couldn't be further from the truth. Contrary to some perceptions, Southwest Virginia is a hub of innovation and manufacturing, producing world-class products integral to people and companies around the globe. From automotive components to advanced electrical systems, our local manufacturers are driving technological advancements and economic growth on an international scale. Today we'll be talking about General Engineering, a company located in Abingdon, Virginia, that specializes in precision machining and engineering services. For over 70 years, they've been crafting solutions that power industries worldwide, from aerospace to defense and beyond. So what sets General Engineering apart, and why is their work so important? With over 7 decades of experience, they're not just creating parts, they're solving problems. General Engineering delivers custom engineered solutions for some of the world's most demanding applications. So let's break it down. Imagine the precision required to manufacture components for an aircraft engine or a medical device. These aren't parts you can afford to get wrong. A single imperfection can mean a failure in a critical operation, whether it's a flight system or a life-saving medical procedure. That's where General Engineering excels. They ensure every component they produce is crafted with unmatched precision, reliability, and quality. And it's not just about making parts. It's about making the right parts for the right job. Their services are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client, whether it's fabricating intricate components for the defense industry or developing durable parts for industrial machinery. The General Engineering facility in Abingdon is a hub of innovation and craftsmanship. Their team of highly skilled professionals leverages advanced equipment and techniques to deliver cutting-edge solutions. Take their CNC machining capabilities, for example. CNC, or computer numerical control, is a technology that allows for incredibly precise and repeatable machining processes. It's the kind of precision that's essential when you're manufacturing parts for industries like aerospace, where even the smallest error can have significant consequences. But their expertise doesn't stop there. General Engineering also offers metal fabrication, assembly, and custom engineering services, ensuring a comprehensive approach to problem solving. Whether it's a single prototype or a large production run, their team has the tools and the expertise to meet the challenge. And behind every product is a rigorous quality control process. Each component is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the strictest industry standards. This commitment to quality isn't just a part of their process, it's the foundation of their reputation. General Engineering's contributions don't stop at the precision components they create. They're shaping the future of engineering and manufacturing through innovation, sustainability, and a steadfast dedication to excellence. Their work plays a vital role in industries that touch our everyday lives, from the defense systems that keep us safe to the medical devices that improve quality of life. General Engineering's expertise has a global impact. And while their reach is global, it's rooted right here in Southwest Virginia. The skilled workforce at General Engineering represents the best of our area: ingenuity, resilience, and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you'd like to learn more about General Engineering and their precision machining and engineering services, check the show notes or visit their website at generalengineering.com. That's generalengineering.com. That's it for today's episode of Made in Southwest Virginia. Join us next time as we continue to highlight the innovative spirit of Southwest Virginia's manufacturing sector. Until then.